Sometimes you are going to be asked to deliver that presentation that you have just lovingly created. It could be a summary of something that's going on in your team, and you need to let your boss, your executive or board know about it. And they've asked you to also present. So you're going to come into the slideshow ribbon and you're going to practice, because practice makes perfect. And if you've never presented before, it can be a little bit daunting. But once you get the hang of it, easy as pie. Now, the first time you come in here, as you can see, Microsoft has given me a lovely option, and it's telling me to give better presentations, rehearse, get instant feedback, and then repeat. So I'm going to try it. If I didn't click try it, I could just click rehearse with coach. Now, it's going to give me PowerPoint presenter coach. As you rehearse, we'll give you feedback about how you're presenting. At the end, you'll see a summary and some other suggestions. So I'll say, okay. You'll notice that my presentation has gone into presentation mode, and it's then going to start listening. So I'll click got it, and it's starting the coach down here. And once I am happy, I can start rehearsing. It will actually show me also real-time feedback. So I'm going to make a mess of this so that you can see what I'm doing. And I haven't actually rehearsed this one before. So we're going to start rehearsing. Now you'll see that it is giving you some feedback. So I'm going to say, welcome, coffee lovers with styles. Let's see what's on the menu. And I've got my table of contents. Let me introduce the topic to you. We're going to talk about why supermarkets are wonderful places. They have self-service machines. They give the impression of choice and quality. But discerning coffee lovers really expect more, and they're feeling let down by the supermarket. They want a specialist coffee retailer. And here are 7 good reasons why they should do that. And then I can go on and talk about reason number 1 is this guide is not talking about instant coffee. I'm not sure what to say next. This guide is for those who love coffee, and you'll see it's telling me I'm too quiet. When I've had enough, I'll click this to pause. And if I exit the presentation, then it gives me a summary, which tells me that I should rehearse for more than a minute for it to better understand my speech, but I want to keep this video short. It says, good job, keep up the hard work. It was 54 seconds. I didn't say too many filler words, ums and ahs. I did a few. My variety of word choice will help keep your audience engaged. That means that I used a good variety of words. Now, remember, I've been doing this for a long time and I'm not shy of the camera. So that's why that's okay. Inclusiveness, I used inclusive language. I've got the pace. It's fine. It didn't have enough to give me pace. Your average pace is over time. So there's not enough data. The pitch was good, and I avoided reading the text. That's a key one. Don't just read the text. And once I've done that, got that feedback, I can go through it all over again by clicking rehearse again. So now you know that you can rehearse your next presentation and get it just right.